my Uber driver assistance. And then the Bris. Guys, what time is it?
9:05.
It's 9:05. Our flight leaves at 10:20. So
To confirm, is your plane boarding at that time or leaving at that time?
that's when the gate closes.
10:20.
10:20.
Okay.
Here at the CBX. Whoa. Olivia's really digging it.
Open the door.
So the one clip that doesn't have any audio is me saying goodbye to Olivia, but I told her she's gonna be in the vlog, so this is me pretending to be Olivia. Bye Bella, I love you. Chris, are you excited? I'm so excited.
I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it.
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans. Will I rock with my rebel yell underneath? You wanna step to me? Since you got a long way to go.
We're here, but our room's not ready yet, so we just gotta wait a little bit. Chris is in the bathroom, but like this is very like conquistador. So we got little golf carts on our way to our little room. House tour. I'm gonna go outside. House tour. What? Big bathtub? How do I open this? I have to unlock it. Chris, unlock it for me. Man, they should have given us like an instruction packet. Woo! Ah! There's a screen! Wow! Oh, they're setting up a wedding. We're gonna see.
Small SUV.
I haven't even seen the bathroom yet. Big bathtub right. Bro, I'm gonna jump from the bed to the bathtub.
Okay.
Shower, blah blah blah. Unknown closet with safe. Olivia and Cole to there's a second bathroom. I'm like, this is the shitting bathroom. Living room. Yay. I'm like, everything has to be open. Natural lighting. Stop. There's literally a wedding happening right in front of us. Well, anyways, this is us headed to our first dinner.
I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that
Chris left me, but this is our view and this is our table. They have a little coat rack in my bag. Oh my god, this is so cute.
have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you.
What does Chris think of the restaurant? Was he expecting this? Oh, Chris, this is like his third beer, okay? His fourth beer. He just.
To the hotel.
This is his fourth beer. This is my first drink. I only like cocktails, so I got like one of their specialty cocktails. It's called the Lust. Oh my god, it's so good. Bread and butter. This is my tartar. It actually looks good. I was scared. Chris got like a seafood thing. And then look. I got a little Bella in a poncho.
A little bit.
Chris still eating his appetizer. I teared up that. It was so good. 10 out of 10 on the tartar. But it's getting dark now. Fettuccine. Truffle fettuccine. And then Chris got the lobster. Is it good? I'm scared. I'm scared. Shut. What's in the box? I'm ready for this. Chris has been waiting for this his whole meal. He only wanted this.
The time is right, your perfume fills my head. The stars get red and oh, the night's so blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you.
Bro, Chris keeps ordering room service, and I asked him, why don't we just go to the restaurants? And he was like, I was like, they're all inclusive too. And he's like, they're included? So here's our breakfast, but we're probably gonna go to like their buffet or something. Okay, day 2 of Cabo. Day 2, Chris got little pink shorts on. But we're gonna go walk around and we'll see what we're doing today. Me and Chris were like walking, and we heard like noises, like bird noises, and we were like, where's that coming from? They have parrots in here. Hola! Hola? Hey, they Spanish speaking.
Hola.
You're so sexy. Everybody should see your body. Yeah. Girl, you're so sexy. I think everyone should see you. Everyone should see you. Be open. Baby, open up for me. Open. Keep it open. Body ocean. Yeah. Lipstick wrapped around my lemonade glass. Staring right at her, but don't know what she's at.
Look at how pretty it is.
But now we're here at Miami Dade. Finally here and I'm finally wasted. All I'm really trying to say is we could cool the
Alright, so I'm like 5 drinks in. Bella's like 3 drinks in. Bella, how are you feeling? You're not feeling good? We got the Bella glizzy. When she feels better.
Okay, night 2. We're heading out for dinner. Chris is low-key a little drunk. Okay, we didn't vlog after the pool. We got fucked up at the pool. So, but this is us heading to dinner. The lighting isn't doing me justice, but I look pretty cute. Yeah, we're here. We're scanning the menu. Hopefully Chris can survive dinner. It's really cute, yeah. We're gonna get him a Shirley Temple and that's about it. But this is cute, it's like low-key bumping. Chris left for 1 second and then now there's food here.
Young money, Nicki Minaj, Justin. Show you off tonight. I wanna show you off what you got. A billion could've never bought. We gonna party like it's 30 and 12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things in life. So just forget about the world we got tonight. I'm coming for
We're at a buffet. The other one, hard-boiled egg. This is our first round. I saw they could make like omelets, so I'm probably gonna go for that second. But I got some pancakes and then all of this, whatever this is. I got an omelet. This is probably my last plate. Chris still on his second one. And then I got my mimosa. Chris is forcing me to walk up this. What the fuck? Ugh. We're stressing. Basically, this is just me and Chris leaving the hotel since it was far from downtown Cabo, and you're just about to see us do a bunch of stuff.
Said our hustler's work is never through. We making it 'cause we making moves. The only thing we know how to do. Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job.
Go in the light.
Where the fuck did you get that?
Said our hustler's work is never through. We making it 'cause we making moves. The only thing we know how to do.
I was like, Mom, can I have permission? And then my mom was like, Chris, bring me a bottle.
Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job.
We're leaving. This is the worst day of my life. I'm gonna miss this.
Oh my god.
Why did we go to the club the day, like, before we're leaving for the airport?
Said our hustler's work is never through. We making it 'cause we making moves. The only